Hello and welcome to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. I'm making anda methi bhurji. Now this is a nice side dish for chapati, or it can be a filling for a sandwich, or you can have it with bread for breakfast. So this is a very versatile recipe. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's jump right in. So to begin with, I've got a pan in here which I've got some ghee heating up in. This is kept on medium heat. Now let's add finely chopped onions into this. And we'll saute it until it starts to change the color. Now once that's done, I'm adding in the finely chopped fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. And we'll saute it until they wilt or shrink a little. Now the leaves have shrunk. I'm adding finely chopped tomatoes and green chilies into it. We'll mix that as well and cook it until the tomatoes turn soft. Once the tomatoes are done, I'm adding in coriander powder, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and mixing it all together. We'll also add some cumin powder to this. Mix it all well and cook for a few minutes. So the masalas have cooked well. Now it's time to add the eggs into this. I've just broken all the eggs into a bowl and I'm going to slowly add this into the mixture, stirring it continuously so that they scramble. Make sure the heat is on medium to low. And let's add the salt to taste at this stage. Keep scrambling it until the eggs turn into a big mass. You can see it started thickening. Keep stirring it until they scramble nicely. Once that's done, I'm adding the garam masala powder. You can also add finely chopped coriander leaves to this. Mix everything together and cook for another minute. And the anda methi bhurji is ready. This can be served as a side dish for chapati. You can stuff it in bread and eat as a sandwich, or make this as a breakfast option. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.